Okay, in this video, this is about the ultimate trend following indicator alerts. And this is what you would use in companion with the ultimate trend following strategy. You would not use the indicator alerts by itself. And the difference between the alerts and the strategy, and I have both of them on the screen right now, but the strategy is what gives you your results down here. And that's how you determine if something is worth trading or not. And that's where you can change all of your trading strategies, your stop losses, your take profits, etc. So say, for example, and what I'm using here is just the default settings that come in the ultimate trend following strategy and the indicator alerts. But let's say, for example, you find a strategy that you really like, could even be one that's default that it comes with, and say you're ready to start trading it and you want to get alerts. That's when you would use and get access to the indicator also. The indicator is going to be the thing that actually gives you the alert. And the alerts are things you can get either emailed to you, it can give you a text message to your phone, and you can even take that alert in Tradingview system. You can create an alert here, and you can take that alert and you can actually even automate your trading. You can have that alert sync up with an exchange of your choice. And as soon as your buy or your sell comes on the chart, that alert will also fire to the exchange and place your order there. So you can see here, the alert is going to match the strategy exactly. So the alert, you'll put this, it looks just like the strategy in the settings, but the alert will not do anything with your performance out here. That's what your strategy does. But in the alert settings, the indicator alert settings, you make those match exactly what is in your strategy settings. So all the same numbers, you'll put that into your alert. And once you do that, you'll get these lines that will also match your entries and your exits. So we have a green here for the entry, and we have a purple here for the exit, a green here for the entry, and we're actually still in the trade. We haven't gotten a strategy or an alert exit yet. But when you see these lines means that an automatic alert will be fired. So you will get an alert via email, your phone, or if you have it set to sync with the exchange of your choice, you can have that also place an order automatically. So you could literally be sleeping or out with your friends having a meal or surfing at the beach, and your trading can be 100% automated. That's how we have it. For those of you that don't know how to create alerts yet or maybe new to it, it's very simple. Over here on this little clock area on the side is your alerts in Tradingview. And what you would do is you click on the clock, you click create alert. And so right now we're creating alert for this 1 hour chart. We're trading the SPY. And we create an alert. And the condition is going to be the ultimate trend following alert. So we would create an alert based on that. And you can create alerts for your longs, your shorts, for whatever criteria you want. But say, for example, we want to enter a long. We want to get alerts sent to us or sent to the exchange when we enter a long. We would create a long alert. The alert is going to fire on bar close, once per bar close. And then you would put down your syntax down here, depending on what exchange you send it to. If you just want to get it sent to your phone, you can say, hey, SPY 1 hour enter long. And you would literally create that alert. That alert is now active, and whenever this condition happens, you will get that alert emailed to you, sent to your phone. And if you have it linked up to an exchange via their API, you can put the syntax down here for that, and you can have it even sent to the exchange. To exit the long, you would need to create another alert for exit long. So you would go back to your indicator alert right here. So this is the second one on the list. It's the second one on here. You would go on exit long. You'd want to exit once per bar. Create alert. and that there it popped up. So now we have a fully functional long entry and exit system for SPY. I built it in less than 30 seconds based on the alerts settings. And now I would get notified anytime there's an entry or an exit based on what I have here on the chart on the strategy and the alerts. It would get sent to my phone, emailed, or sent to the exchange if I had it set up to do that automatically. And you can do the same thing with your shorts also. If you have a short strategy, you can also put your shorts in here. You can have your exit shorts. If you like even drawing on the chart, let's say you're in a trade and you see a trend with your eye and you just want to draw a trend line, for example. And you want to say if this trade I'm in goes underneath this trend line I want out, you can even create an alert on the trend line. You can say, hey, if SPY crosses down my trend line only once, you can say, SPY crosses below trend line, exit. And you would literally get that notification once price went underneath this. So very, very dynamic ways you can trade with this, with the indicator. Super, super dynamic, very powerful, allows you to automate your trading if you choose to. I wouldn't think of trading any other way without it. That way you don't have to be constantly watching charts. So the indicator, again, is for the alerts. It's a companion to the strategy. The strategy will not give you tradable alerts by itself. You certainly cannot automate your trading by the strategy by itself. You need the indicator alert. So strategy is for finding a strategy that works for you, changing its settings, finding your stop losses, and finding a performance that works well for you. Once you decide on it, you also use the alert, which is something separate. You put that to your chart, you make it match your strategy settings, and then you set your alerts, and then you are good to go, and you are a fully automated trader. All right, that's it to this video. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.